everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a cool puzzle effect in Canva. It's super easy and very beginner friendly. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create a new designs, or you can also open your old designs and then just import your image and place it on the canvas like this. And then next, just go to apps and then search for Jigsaw like this, Jigsaw puzzle. This app, just click on it and then open. And then next, just adjust it as you like, adjust the look as you like. For example, random, you can adjust the random of the look, and then tab size, example like this, jitter, like this. And then you can also adjust the advanced settings, line weight, for example like this, line color, like this. And then tab number, image size as you like, just adjust it as you like. And then after you done about the settings, just tap on export like this and adjust it, for example like this. And okay, like this, you have just created a puzzle effect in Canva in just 1 minute. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.